Hello everyone and welcome to the Ultimate Canadian Geography Genius Test. Think you know Canada? Let's find out. I've got 20 challenging questions about our epic landscape. Grab a piece of paper, keep score, and let's see how you do. Ready? Let's dive in. Question 1. What is the only officially bilingual province in Canada? The answer is New Brunswick. Fun fact, while many think of Quebec, only New Brunswick has both English and French as its official languages at the provincial level. About a third of its population is French-speaking. Question 2. Which Canadian city is located on an island? That would be Montreal, Quebec. Montreal is situated on the island of Montreal, which is the largest island in the Hochelaga archipelago, right at the confluence of the St. Lawrence and Ottawa rivers. Question 3. What is the name of the highest mountain in Canada? The highest peak is Mount Logan. Located in Yukon's Kluane National Park, Mount Logan is not only Canada's highest point, but also the second highest peak in all of North America, standing at a staggering 5,959 meters. Question 4. Canada is divided into how many time zones? Canada spans 6 different time zones. These are the Pacific, Mountain, Central, Eastern, Atlantic, and the Newfoundland time zone, which is unique because it's offset by just 30 minutes from the Atlantic time zone. Question 5. Which body of water is the largest inland sea in the world by area and is located in Canada? The answer is Hudson Bay. This massive saltwater body is so large that it connects to both the Atlantic and Arctic Oceans. It is also home to a significant population of polar bears who wait for the sea ice to form each winter. Question 6. What is the northernmost permanently inhabited place in the world, located in Canada? That would be Alert, Nunavut. Located at the northern tip of Ellesmere Island, Alert is a Canadian Armed Forces station. It's closer to Moscow than it is to Ottawa. Question 7. Which province is known as Canada's breadbasket for its vast wheat fields? The answer is Saskatchewan. This prairie province is famous for its agriculture, producing over half of Canada's wheat. It truly is the heart of Canada's grain production. Question 8. The Bay of Fundy, located between Nova Scotia and New Brunswick, is famous for what natural phenomenon? It's famous for having the highest tides in the world. The water level can change by as much as 16 meters, which is about the height of a 5-story building, twice a day. Question 9. What is the longest river in Canada? The longest river is the Mackenzie River. Flowing through the Northwest Territories, the Mackenzie River system is over 4,200 kilometers long, making it the second longest river system in North America after the Mississippi-Missouri. Question 10. Which 2 provinces are the only landlocked provinces in Canada? Those are Alberta and Saskatchewan. Surrounded entirely by other Canadian provinces and territories or the United States, they are the only 2 that do not have a saltwater coastline. Question 11. What is the name of the world's largest non-polar ice field, located in the Canadian Rockies? That is the Columbia Ice Field. Straddling the border of Alberta and British Columbia, this ice field feeds 8 major glaciers, and its meltwater flows to 3 different oceans, the Atlantic, Pacific, and Arctic. Question 12. In which province would you find the city of Red Deer? Red Deer is located in Alberta. It's almost perfectly situated halfway between Alberta's 2 largest cities, Calgary and Edmonton, along the Queen Elizabeth II Highway. Question 13. What is Canada's smallest province by land area? The smallest province is Prince Edward Island. Despite its small size, Pei is the most densely populated province in Canada and is famous for its red sand beaches and potatoes. Question 14. The Cabot Trail is a scenic roadway located in which province? The beautiful Cabot Trail is in Nova Scotia. This world-renowned highway winds through the Cape Breton Highlands National Park, offering breathtaking coastal views. Question 15. What is the largest freshwater island in the world, located within Lake Huron? The answer is Manitoulin Island in Ontario. It's so large that it has over 100 freshwater lakes of its own, some of which even have their own small islands. It's an island within a lake, with lakes on the island. Question 16. Which territory was the last to be created in Canada, established in 1999? That territory is Nunavut. It was carved out of the eastern part of the Northwest Territories to create a homeland for Canada's Inuit population, covering about 1/5 of the country's landmass. Question 17. What is the name of the strait that separates Newfoundland from mainland Labrador? The answer is the Strait of Belle Isle. This strait connects the Gulf of St. Lawrence with the Atlantic Ocean and is known for being a major shipping route, though it can be treacherous with sea ice. Question 18. The Okanagan Valley, known for its wineries and warm climate, is in which province? The Okanagan Valley is located in British Columbia. Often called Canada's wine country, its unique semi-arid climate is perfect for growing grapes and other fruits like cherries and peaches. Question 19. Which Canadian national park was the very first to be established in the country? Canada's first national park was Banff National Park. Established in 1885 in Alberta, it started as a small hot springs reserve and has grown into one of the most visited national parks in the world. And finally, question 20. What is the capital city of the Yukon Territory? The capital of the Yukon is Whitehorse. Named after the Whitehorse Rapids for their resemblance to the mane of a white horse, the city is a major hub for the territory and a gateway to the north. So, how did you do? Tally up your score and let me know in the comments below. Are you a Canadian geography genius? I hope you had fun and maybe learned something new about this incredible country. If you enjoyed this quiz, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun content. Thanks so much for playing. See you next time.